Welcome back to my FlowFit DIY channel. If you're remodeling your kitchen or simply replacing an old sink, choosing the right one can make a much bigger difference than you might think. A good kitchen sink should be durable, easy to clean, spacious enough for your everyday cooking, and, of course, look great with your countertop. But with so many styles, sizes, and materials available, which sink is actually worth your money? Today we're counting down 5 of the best kitchen sinks to consider in 2026. We've got deep single-bowl sinks, workstation designs, compact options, stylish granite composite sinks, and even an extra-large sink for serious home cooks. Number 5. Kraus KOHLER 21-inch Workstation Sink. Starting our list is the Kraus KOHLER 21-inch Workstation Sink, a great option for smaller kitchens. Don't let the compact size fool you. This sink is designed to make the most of limited counter space. The workstation design allows accessories such as a cutting board to sit across the sink, giving you an additional area for food preparation. That's especially useful when counter space is already limited. The stainless steel construction is durable and gives the sink a clean, modern appearance. It also includes useful accessories such as a cutting board, bottom grid, and drain assembly. The biggest advantage here is efficiency. You get a sink, food prep area, and additional workspace in one compact package. The downside? Because it's smaller, it may not be the best choice for large families or anyone who regularly washes oversized pots and pans. Pros: compact, functional, and excellent for small kitchens. Cons: limited space compared with larger workstation sinks. Number 4. KOHLER Task Stainless Steel Workstation Sink. Next up is the KOHLER Task Kitchen Sink. If you're looking for a sink that can do more than simply hold dirty dishes, this one deserves a look. It's designed as a workstation, meaning the sink can become part of your food preparation area. Depending on the configuration, you can use accessories such as a cutting board, colander, and other inserts to make meal preparation easier. The stainless steel construction is another major advantage. It's durable, relatively easy to maintain, and works well with a wide variety of kitchen designs. The deep basin also gives you plenty of room for washing dishes, vegetables, and larger cookware. However, workstation accessories can create additional areas where food debris and moisture may collect. So regular cleaning is important. Pros: versatile design, durable stainless steel, and useful accessories. Cons: accessories require additional cleaning and storage. Number 3. Kraus Standart Pro Undermount Sink. At number 3, we have the Kraus Standart Pro Undermount Kitchen Sink. If your priority is a deep, spacious basin with a clean appearance, this is a strong option. The undermount installation places the sink underneath the countertop, creating a sleek transition between the counter and sink. And the deep basin gives you plenty of room for washing dishes and handling large cookware. The stainless steel construction is designed for everyday kitchen use, while the included bottom grid helps protect the sink surface from scratches. A drain cover is also included, adding to the clean appearance. One thing to consider is the configuration. The single bowl design provides plenty of uninterrupted space, but if you prefer separate washing and rinsing areas, you'll want to consider a double bowl version instead. Pros: deep basin, modern undermount design, and plenty of working space. Cons: single bowl design may not suit people who prefer divided basins. Number 2. BLANCO Double Bowl Sink. Coming in at number 2 is the BLANCO Double Bowl Undermount Sink. This one is for homeowners who want a combination of style, durability, and traditional double bowl functionality. Unlike stainless steel, BLANCO's granite composite material gives the sink a different look and feel. It's available in multiple colors, making it easier to coordinate the sink with your countertop and kitchen cabinets. The 2 separate basins are also extremely practical. You can wash dishes in one side while rinsing or preparing food in the other. The material is designed to resist everyday wear, including stains, scratches, and heat. However, no sink material is completely maintenance-free. Strongly pigmented foods can sometimes leave marks if the surface isn't cleaned properly, so regular cleaning is still important. Pros: stylish appearance, durable composite construction, and convenient double basins. Cons: premium models can be more expensive and proper cleaning is still necessary. Number 1. Ruvati 45-inch Dual-Tier Workstation Sink. And finally, taking our number 1 spot is the Ruvati 45-inch Dual-Tier Workstation Sink. This is definitely not your average kitchen sink. At 45 inches wide, it's designed for homeowners who want an enormous amount of workspace. If you regularly cook large meals, prepare food for a big family, or simply hate running out of sink space, this design could be a game changer. The dual-tier workstation layout creates multiple levels for accessories and food preparation. And Ruvati packs this sink with accessories designed to take advantage of all that space. Depending on the package, you can get items such as a cutting board, colander, mixing bowl, drying rack, rinse grids, condiment tray, and drain components. That means the sink can function as much more than a place to wash dishes. It can become a complete food preparation station. Of course, there's one major catch. A sink this large requires the right cabinet and countertop space. And all those accessories need somewhere to go when you're not using them. So before buying, make sure your kitchen can accommodate the dimensions and storage requirements. Pros: massive workspace, workstation functionality, and lots of accessories. Cons: requires significant cabinet and counter space. So, which kitchen sink is right for you? If you have a small kitchen, the Kraus KOHLER is worth considering. If you want a versatile workstation, the KOHLER Task is a strong choice. For a deep and simple stainless steel sink, the Kraus Standart Pro is an excellent option. If you prefer double bowls and a premium composite look, the BLANCO is worth checking out. And if you want the ultimate large workstation sink, the Ruvati 45-inch model is hard to ignore. Remember, the best kitchen sink isn't necessarily the biggest or most expensive one. The right choice depends on your cabinet size, countertop layout, cooking habits, cleaning preferences, and budget. Before you buy, always double-check the sink dimensions, cabinet requirements, faucet configuration, installation type, and included accessories. If this video helped you choose your next kitchen sink, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more home improvement and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.